Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Instagram from a device you trust. Do not use public Wi-Fi. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and Security to view linked recovery methods: email, phone, and connected accounts. You must make decisions now about which method to remove, because removing email or phone changes how Instagram verifies identity. If you rely on any linked account for login, backup codes, or export data first, this initial step prevents accidental lockouts and prepares you for changes ahead. You now methodically remove each recovery vector. First, under Personal Information, remove any phone number or secondary email. Instagram uses those to send reset links. Next, revoke third-party app access to prevent external account recovery pathways. Then, in two-factor authentication, switch methods to an authenticator app or backup codes. Once done, disable SMS if you want to avoid phone-based recovery. Make sure to save recovery codes in a secure place. These actions reduce the number of ways someone, or Instagram, can restore access. Finish by double-checking. Log out and attempt to sign in to confirm removed recovery options no longer work. Once done, keep at least one secure admin method, like an authenticator app or stored backup codes in a password manager, because complete removal can prevent you from regaining access. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, use Instagram help, follow the identity verification prompts, and provide requested proof of ownership. This single troubleshooting tip, prepare ID and any account creation details, speeds recovery if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.